All right, so I'm inside of this 1050 to 1110 macro trade. I've accumulated a large position with the 10 to 1015 SIBI. So all of that's time distortion. I'm going to place a group of partials in the form of limit orders to sell right above the high formed at 10 o'clock in the morning. And I'm going to aim for that fair value gap in the form of a SIBI at 15,290. Okay, so I have the buy side liquidity. Now that's been taken as a partial down to the low of the SIBI, nearing the high that was formed around 8:30 during the non-farm payroll. That'll get filled here next. There you go. And in the high of the SIBI. There you go. How's that for nonsense? These guys on YouTube, man, Twitter, goobers. I'm going to run up and take out that buy side liquidity at the high of the day, and that'll be done for today. You got to wait for the afternoon. You don't trade in the morning sessions around on payroll release because that's amateur hour. You get slapped around. And when the liquidity is established, we've seen that sell side taken out at 10:30, so now buy side is the lunch macro. It begins here at the 1050 to 1110. So that's a nice little drop on short-term sell side liquidity. Have ourselves a thunderstorm here at present. Okay, here we go. Should rip up there and take out the buy side.